Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Realme C53 smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, wrong pin entered. Okay, to do hard reset, first press volume up and power key together to power it off. As you can see, it is successfully powered off. Now press power key for 3 seconds, 1 2 3, and press volume down key and release. After it, press power key and volume up key like this to go in Android recovery mode. You can see now you are in Android recovery mode. Now volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. Now go to wipe data factory reset and confirm, and you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Go to factory data reset and confirm. So as you can see, data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset, when it asks for password, tap on skip and use previously logged in Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Realme C53 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.